Hi, my name is Tanya Hosmer, and not only do I sell real estate, but now I sell vintage cars. Just kidding. I want to introduce you to a beautiful classic 1948 Chevy Stylemaster. I love this car. Why? It's been in my family for over 70 years. I rode in the back seat of this car as a child, and it's still part of our family here in Alexandria. My parents and I had the car rebuilt from top to bottom just a few years ago, but now we wanted to have a great new home. Here are a few of the features that I still love. The paint is an original 1948 Chevy color, Texas Ivory. All of the chrome has been redipped, and the 6-cylinder engine has been rebuilt. Those are just a few of the many items that have been redone on the car. You must see and drive it to fully appreciate its beauty.